Our first clip of the evening, a startling incident captured by a Ring doorbell camera. As darkness falls, our lens captures a tense moment when an intruder takes advantage of the cover of night. In this gripping footage, we witness a man brazenly breaking into a car and swiftly making off with its valuable contents. In this peculiar scene, our camera catches an individual strolling up to someone's front door, seemingly driven by an unknown motive. With a cautious demeanor, the man takes a moment to survey his surroundings, leaving us to wonder about his intentions. In this Ring doorbell footage, our camera captures a curious interaction that unfolds on a quiet porch. A woman, seemingly at ease, arranges and discusses various items with remarkable precision, passing them to a man standing by, who attentively keeps watch over the road. In this Ring doorbell footage, watch as a daring individual snatches an item from a front door, only to push his luck further by scouring for more. Heart-pounding Ring doorbell footage. Picture this: a man enters a tranquil compound, carrying items that don't belong to him. But that's just the beginning. As tension mounts, he glances around, his gaze fixating on a neighboring property. Ring doorbell footage. Watch closely as a man approaches a front door with suspicious intent, his actions dripping with tension. But here's where it gets truly gripping: his attempt to break in is thwarted, prompting him to pivot. With determination in his eyes, he prowls, seeking an alternative entry. Ring doorbell clip. Behold as a man infiltrates a porch, his every move shrouded in suspicion. In a daring act, he seizes items not meant for him, vanishing into the shadows. Picture this: a man lurking by a front door, his intentions cloaked in mystery. As tension builds, he meticulously scans his surroundings, preparing for an audacious break-in. However, fate takes a twist: the locked door thwarts his plans.
Yo creo no. Ahí el carro no, ya no hay nada, ¿verdad? ¿Dónde?
In this Ring doorbell clip, two figures, stripped of their identity, approach a house with an air of intrigue. Faces concealed, they navigate with a purpose that raises questions. Ring doorbell footage. Witness the audacity of a man who confidently strolls onto a porch, his eyes set on the prize left casually on a chair. With a heart-pounding disregard for consequences, he makes off with the items, seemingly unfazed by the risk. In this misconduct Ring doorbell footage, a man, shrouded in shadows, tiptoes towards a window, his intentions veiled in secrecy. With calculated caution, he peers through, testing the waters for a potential break-in. In this footage, witness the heart-pounding moment a man breaches the sanctity of a home, his intent unmistakable, pilfering precious items. As our lens captures his audacious entry, we delve into the daring world of burglary, exploring the motives driving this brazen act. In this Ring doorbell chronicles. Imagine this, a slightly unsteady man stands before a front door, his demeanor hinting at a tipsy state. In a surreal moment, he attempts to open the door, a puzzling display of determination.
Oh. What are you doing in my house? Hello?
Fuck you!
In this immorality doorbell footage, witness as a woman boldly steps onto a porch, her intentions far from innocent. With calculated precision, she seizes an item, her actions a stark reminder of audacious theft. Ring doorbell footage, witness as a man prowls on a porch, his intentions unmistakably nefarious. With a careful eye, he scours for a target, zeroing in on an opportunity to exploit. But that's not where the story ends. Brace yourself as he makes a daring escape, absconding with someone's bike. In this doorbell footage, a woman nonchalantly enters through a front door, her motives unclear. With a calculated eye, she selects an item, her actions raising eyebrows. But the suspense doesn't end there. Just as she surveys for more, the property owner intervened.
Dígame, ¿qué se le ofrece?
Ya. ¿Qué onda?
¿Qué se le ofrece? ¡Hey!
Yeah. Get out. Yo.
Andaba una pinche vieja en la casa, hija. Sí, no sé qué agarró de ahí. Y aventó algo, la verdad, no sé.
¿Quién era?
No sé, una pinche vieja marihuana. Se toma la lucía cocos y le da una vuelta.
In this misdemeanor Ring doorbell footage, a figure shrouded in anonymity, donning a mask and hoodie, approaches a safe outside a front door. With calculated precision, he cracks the safe open and makes off with the contents within. As we approach the end of this video, I just wanted to say, if you've enjoyed the thrills and chills, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more hair-raising content. Remember to leave a comment, share with your friends, and hit that like button to help spread the fear.